Hi guys, welcome to Tech Light, your guide to future technology and on-campus recruitment process for many companies. Today we are going to discuss about the on-campus recruitment process of Miracle Software System, Vizag and Bogampura. They are hiring for the position software trainee and the skill set should be knowledge in any programming language and a candidate must have good communication skills and very passionate about to learn the next generation technologies. What are the qualifications? Qualification is BTech. Any branch can apply. CSC, IT, ECE, AI, ML, DS, data structures, any data science, any branch can apply. Or MCA with minimum 70 percentage. The package offered is 3 to 3.6 LPA. Based on your performance at the time of the interview, the package will be decided. 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6. 3.6 is the highest package. It is maybe CTC or an LPA. You have also got a bond for 2 years, 10 months. And you have to submit the necessary documents if you are selected in this company. Okay, let's check the interview process for software training. The round one is programming test. Here the programming test is paper and pen. They will give five or four questions. One is database question on an SQL query. You have to write an SQL query like you have to select names from a table which starts from J and or ends with a letter A. And you have to, they will ask what is the sum of salary of an employee in data science section. They will ask like that. And three programming questions. One may be pattern. They will give star, star, star. Like they will give any pattern like diamond shape, triangle shape, left triangle, right angle triangle. Like that they will ask. And one is inheritance. How do you write an inheritance? Show me with an example. Like that they will ask. And I got a question like you have to capitalize each word starting letter for an each word in a sentence and you have to count that word without using count and do not use split method. They asked me like that. If a candidate writes three questions correctly, then you will definitely select it for next round. Next round is technical interview round. You have to choose which programming language you are good enough to answer the questions. Some persons choose Java and some persons use it Python. The interview may be one to one or a single interview person can interview two candidates at a time. Next round is HR interview. HR interview they will ask some basic questions about your introduction, self intro and family background and why are you willing to join Miracle? Are you okay with the package and all that? And round four is director interview. Director interview. At first, if you are selected, if you passed all the qualified all these rounds, then you will get a job in Miracle, and you have to submit your original documents, necessary documents, and you have to sign a bond commitment for 2 years, 10 months. First 3 months are training. They will give training for a selected candidate, and the next 3 months are project related training. They will hire you for a project and give you training, and your job may be full time. Then your job becomes full time and you will get a full salary based on your performance. At the time of an interview, your salary package is decided. This is the recruitment process for software trainee at Miracle, Vizag, and Bokampura. Thank you guys, and subscribe if you are new. Subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to TechLight and do join in my Telegram channel where I will share all the resources.